Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zena with Zena's Interiors, and today we're gonna give this table a makeover. Just wanna walk you over here. So today we're gonna give it a makeover. After cleaning my piece with DSB, I start painting. What I liked about this paint is the coverage is really thick and you will not be able to see the wood. So all I did for this table is one coat. I tried to paint the table before, but I didn't like the color, so it was a pending project for a very long time. With this color, the Sage Advice color, is really soft and it can blend your any style you have. Anyway, for the leather top tables, you have to sand it very light sanding so you can get rid of the sheen on top and start painting. This one is only one coat, and look at it, you don't even see the bottom. The only thing you see is the leather details they have around like a circle. That's it, that's what you can see. I love it. For the top coat, I'm gonna use the natural wax from the same company as Country Chic Natural Wax. And what I love about it is they don't use chemicals at all. It's actually contains beeswax and other like natural waxes and oils. That's it. And it doesn't have any smell, and it works very, very gentle and soft on your piece. All what you have to do is apply some and wipe it. That's it. You see it? Apply and wipe. Apply your wax and wipe it. So for this project, if you have like an old table somewhere in your house, just give it a makeover. You guys have a lot of money instead of buying a new one. Perfect for the spring break. Same process for the top. Apply your wax and wipe it. That's it. This is the easiest project you can do for an old table you have in your house. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to order your paint, text me or send me a message. I'll give you a coupon code. You can save 10% on your order. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching.